finally decided to take my vlogging seriously. Welcome to my life. I woke up this morning feeling so tired and weak because I had a very stressful day yesterday. I made my hair yesterday, so literally banging. This is my favorite prayer manual book. So I said my prayers and I had to get to work. Rats have been terrorizing me in this room, so every night I ensure I block every possible access through which they can get into my room. And the thing is that they don't usually stay in my room, they just come in the night and leave very early in the morning. But I just don't want them to come in at all. So I dressed my bed. I actually have a 1 o'clock class today, that's an afternoon class. So I warmed my food. I actually prepared this food 2 days ago, this rice 2 days ago. So I have to keep on warming it. I brushed my teeth. You all should ignore this because no matter how hard I try, this each time I arrange it keeps on scattering. Before you come for me, I don't keep my toothbrush there, so I keep it on that place. So I had to brush my teeth, eat breakfast. I didn't really plan to eat this morning, but I already woke up late, so I was in a hurry. And preparing for school and vlogging can be quite, it can take a whole lot of time. So I was trying to meet up with what I was doing. So as usual, I answered the call of nature. I believe everyone does this. So I took my bed, I prepared for school. This is my school uniform. We actually wear this white every single day. You can imagine. Even when you're on your period, you wear your white. You can imagine being stained. Let's not even go there. So I dressed up. At this point, I was actually rushing because I was meant to leave my room by 12:30. But I think I was still here at 12:50 something. So I was literally rushing. And then my friend was waiting for me downstairs, so I had to meet up with her because my roommate is not yet back, so I'm obviously alone. So I met up with her, then we started going, and then as usual, can even imagine I even forgot to apply my lip gloss, but I still applied it on my way to school. Our school is somehow scanty because people haven't really resumed. Even my class, let's take a look, out of 100 and something students, just imagine, few people. So when I came, the lecturer wasn't here yet, so I just sat down and I was just gisting randomly, and my friend came by. This girl, she's after my life. She's a very good friend of mine. So we decided to come outside and make some videos and take some pictures before the lecturer comes in. This girl, I will murder this girl. I'm very, very serious. I'm going to kill this girl because she keeps on interfering in everything I do. In my pictures, in my videos, she keeps on interfering. But that one aside. So then after that, my friends are quite pretty though. After that, we went back into the class. The class lasted for like 2 hours, no, 2.5 hours. Yes, 2 hours 30 minutes, I think, approximately 3 hours. Let's just say it lasted for 3 hours. So I moved straight to the salon where I made my hair yesterday because I needed to roll my hair. I don't know why, but I just love rolling my hair in buns, so I just had to go and roll my hair. I just love the look. It looks pretty though. So after that, my friend came by and we headed straight to a canteen because I was hungry at this point. Like I was really, really hungry. So all these things are very expensive, but I had to go for something cheaper, something I could afford. So I bought this and a sausage roll. Don't ask me how much. Then I'm actually doing a no soda challenge, but I don't even care. I'll continue tomorrow. I'll continue from where I stopped. So while heading home, my friend stopped by to buy something she was going to use to cook. So at the same time, I came across this biscuit. This biscuit has always been my best since childhood. I don't even know how the price escalated from 20 naira, 30 naira to 60 naira. Like how, why? So after that, my friend, she headed to a pharmacy store rather. So I had to escort her there. As usual, I sat down. I'm on life to suppose her though. I sat down, I was just videoing randomly and eating my biscuit and chilling, So after that, I think she checked her BP here because she wasn't feeling quite well. So after that, we headed home. At this point, I was so tired. I didn't even tell you people. I even forgot. You know those things I bought, that sausage roll and Pepsi that I bought earlier. That was my dinner, my dinner and lunch. So as I'm going back to my room now, I'm obviously not going to eat. I've eaten my dinner and my lunch. Ah God, so send me. So I don't know if I'm the only person that does this, but I don't like keeping a dirty shoe on my shoe rack. So I came back, I removed my shoe, I kept it in the bathroom as you saw in the previous clip. And I hung my white there because I didn't want to put it inside that basket because it was going to rumple. So I took my bait. After baiting, I cleaned my shoe and then placed it neatly on my shoe rack. Then after that, I passed out sometime. I pressed my phone, slept, woke up. Then I went to deliver because I sell tote bags. So I didn't waste time though. I just delivered and came back. I think it was around 8 o'clock here. Then when I came back around 8:30 p.m. So as usual, I blocked all access. All these rats, it's not me, they will terrorize in this room. So I blocked all access and I slept. That was it too. That was how I spent my whole day. No dinner, no lunch, nothing. I just went to bed like that. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment. Bye.